everyone, I'm Yuto, and today on Sudachi I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing, tangy and versatile condiment called Ponzu. Let's get started. First we're going to pour 2 tablespoons of mirin into a saucepan and let it boil for about 30 seconds to 1 minute to burn off the alcohol. It's such a small amount that this will only take a short time. Tilt the pan occasionally to heat it evenly. If you want to make your ponzu a bit sweeter, you can increase the mirin a bit. Okay, remove it from the heat and pour it into a heat-proof container. Next, I'm going to add 100 ml of citrus juice. Here I have bottled yuzu juice, but you can use lemon juice, lime juice, or any citrus of your choice. I opted for bottled because fresh yuzu don't have much juice and they're not in season right now, so they're expensive to buy. But of course, this recipe is delicious with freshly squeezed citrus juice if it's accessible to you. Now, let's add 1.5 tablespoons of rice vinegar and 125 ml of soy sauce. This is Japanese dark soy sauce. Finally, add a palm-sized piece of kombu dried kelp and 10 grams of bonito flakes. That's about half cup. These dashi ingredients will add umami and depth to the ponzu. Give it a gentle shake, then cover and refrigerate. I recommend letting it rest for at least 24 hours, and if you have time, 3 days is ideal. After it's finished resting, pour it through a strainer to catch the bonito flakes. You can then transfer it to a sterilized jar or bottle. Ponzu goes great with fish, meat, vegetables. It can be used for general cooking, dressings, as a dipping sauce for dumplings and more. I also recommend checking out my ponzu chicken recipe if you have time. And that's it, delicious homemade ponzu sauce, a must-have condiment for fans of Japanese cooking. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in learning more about ponzu and how to use it, I recommend visiting my blog for the Ponzu 101 post. You can also see my ponzu experiment there. You'll find a link on the screen now. Hope to see you next time. Have a great day.